Unveiling the Mystery, Clam Up. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that you might have come across or will soon encounter. It's the phrase, clam up. Ever wondered what it means when someone says, he clammed up? Let's uncover this mystery together. Have you ever watched a clam at the beach? When threatened, clams shut their shells tightly. The phrase, clam up, comes from this behavior. When someone clams up, they become silent and refuse to talk, especially when they're nervous, embarrassed, or don't want to share information. Let's see how this idiom can be used in sentences. 1. After being asked about the missing cookies, the little boy clammed up. 2. The interview was going well until we asked about her previous job, and then she clammed up. 3. It's not like Mark to clam up during meetings. I wonder what's bothering him. From these examples, you can see that clam up is often used to describe someone who suddenly becomes silent or avoids answering questions. You might think, isn't that the same as shut up? Not quite. While both phrases involve silence, their usage is different. Shut up is often seen as rude and means to stop talking altogether. Clam up means someone has chosen to become silent, usually because they're hiding something or feel uncomfortable. So, remember, the context and the reason behind the silence are essential when distinguishing between these two phrases. And there you have it. Now, when you hear someone use the phrase, clam up, you'll know exactly what they mean. English is full of such colorful idioms that paint vivid pictures in our minds. We hope this explainer has been enlightening. And next time you see someone go silent, maybe they've just clammed up. Until our next language adventure, keep exploring and learning. Cheers!